Hey guys, so this was our first time going to a Bass Pro Shop.
What a good boy. Here we have select fudges from the Bass Pro Shop. We have a maple and walnut. We have a chocolate and walnut, cookies and cream, birthday cake for Liz, strawberry cheesecake, and churro. So far, my favorites have been the fudge because it's chocolate fudge. And the strawberry cheesecake, even though I hate cheesecake, it tastes like, I guess it just tastes like pure sugar, and that's why I love it. And the churro, I'm so sad. It doesn't taste like churros, it just tastes like cinnamon. There's more to churros than cinnamon.
So obviously for us, going to the Bass Pro Shop was a little bit like going to Disney World. Every time I turned a corner, there was something new. I think it was the waterfall that really got me. I love that. So what about you? Yeah, it was definitely like going to a park because they have like everything set up, you know, they have the animals, they got stuff on the ceilings. It just, you felt like you're in maybe a little bit of Animal Kingdom if you've ever been to Disney World. And it also had a bowling alley attached to it, so I mean, it kind of had everything. And also a big restaurant and their own fudge. I love fudge. So many flavors, so little time. Yeah, so if you ever want to check out that nice undersea bowling that did go viral for some time.
Yeah, it was a viral at that time, yeah.
You gotta check out the Bass Pro Shop in Connecticut. Not sure the exact location, but we'll put that in the description below. Thanks for watching our vlog, and stay tuned for more.